In this video, we will learn how to make TikTok account private. So let's begin. So to make your TikTok account private, what you have to do is just go and open your TikTok app. This method applies for both iPhone and Android. And here what you have to do is just at the right bottom corner there is an icon of account. So just go and tap on account. And here at the right top there is an icon of three dots. So just go and tap on these three dots. And here just go and tap on privacy and setting. And wait for the privacy and setting to open. And here just go and scroll down below. And here just go and tap on privacy and safety. Just go and tap on privacy and safety. And here there is an option of private account. So just go and on this. Once you have on this, you can just go and edit these settings of who can do it with you, who can send me message. You can just go and edit these settings, and you can just go and add anyone to your block list. Hope by doing so your issue will be resolved, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.